hello to everyone at Playbox. Hope you're all doing really well. I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be reading for you Jake Bakes a Monster Cake, written by Lucy Rowland and illustrated by Mark Chambers. So I hope you all enjoy. Right, Jake Bakes a Monster Cake. One Saturday, Jake decided to bake a cake for his friend's birthday tea. He said, "What a treat! Sam loves something sweet, and my friends can help make it with me." But you see, it was tricky. Jake's friends were so picky. Their plans were quite different to Jake's. They liked juicy bugs and fat, slimy slugs to flavour their favourite cakes. That day, Monster Tor arrived at Jake's door, and Ben walked behind with young Fred. Tilly was late, but she rushed through the gate. "It's time to get started," Jake said. They hurried inside with aprons all tied. Jake showed them the recipe book. But Tor laughed with Tilly. "Oh, Jake, don't be silly. We don't need instructions to cook." She grabbed smelly eggs, 8 spidery legs, 5 ants, some old pants, about 10. She whisked them and whirled them. She mixed them and stirred them, then handed the bowl over to Ben. Ben shouted, "My turn!" and he threw in a worm. He laughed. "It says here to add lime." "Oh, do me a favour." "No, my kind of flavour is luminous, bogey green slime." Jake started to mutter, "But what about butter? Perhaps some more sugar?" he tried. Fred thought for a minute, then threw a slug in it. "These are so gooey," he cried. Tilly said, "Please, can I add some cheese? I promise it's really delicious. It's stinky and old and covered in mould, and the maggots are extra nutritious." Oh. But Jake said, "Enough. Now I have to get tough. You'll ruin our present for Sam." Then a splash of the paste landed right on Jake's face. Yum! What a good baker I am." With the mixture cooked through, Jake called the whole crew to carry the huge bake outside. But then, in a muddle, Jake slipped on a puddle and groaned as he watched the cake slide. Oh. Sam opened his door as the cake hit the floor, and it fell with a splat to the ground. "Happy birthday!" sobbed Jake, while Sam stared at the cake and nobody else made a sound. "I'm sorry," Jake cried. His eyes opened wide. Sam frowned and puffed out his chest. He turned towards Jake. "When it comes to great cake, mud pie is quite simply the best." Oh, and then they're all enjoying the cake at the end. And that's the end of the story. Thank you ever so much. and hopefully we'll see you all again soon. Can't wait to see what the next story is. Bye-bye.